There are maple leaves, fall colors blooming all around, and it's an amazing place. Those who drink water from this fountain end up going back and getting married to their beloved. अब मेरी तो गर्लफ्रेंड है ही नहीं, फिर भी मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ, भर लेता हूँ पानी यहाँ से. पानी पी लिया है, अब देखता हूँ शादी होती है या नहीं. Sremski Karlovci. What should I say about this place? You get on a bus number 61 or 62 from the center in Novi Sad, and in 20 minutes you reach this quaint little village of around 9,000 residents just outside the city of Novi Sad. This is what you normally see on documentaries covering Europe, where they show you these picture perfect, postcard pretty European towns, small European towns. Sremski Karlovci is one of those. Picture perfect European towns are generally settings of your Call of Duty mission, where the Germans have taken over a town and you as Captain Price or Major Ingram have to free the town of the Germans, and you go shooting all over the place. There is so many things over here. A small town, you can easily cover it by walking. There is the church here, the Orthodox church here, or it's Catholic, I don't know. There is the library over there. There's an old pharmacy over there. This must be the old town center. The beautifully aesthetically artsy cafes all around me. Behind me, even over there. It's really running out of adjectives to describe the beauty of this town. Am I saying picture perfect a lot? Maybe yes. That's because that's exactly what Sremski Karlovci is. It is a beautiful, beautiful small town. There is the fountain, the Four Lions fountain behind me. Over there are 4 lions, and this is the famous church behind me. I literally don't know the name of this church, but it's a really beautiful church. What a pretty old church. This is the name of the church is Church of St. Nicholas. It's an Orthodox church, not a Catholic church, what I found out. The Catholic church is somewhere over there. Behind me is a red colored building, which I heard it was the school. Really beautiful place. St. Nicholas Church is a sight to behold. It's probably the first thing you'll see when you come here. And the interiors are just wow. And over here is the fountain of the Four Lions. There are 4 lions over here pointing in all the 4 cardinal directions. You generally run with your machine guns in these streets when you're playing Call of Duty. The German tanks will be coming this way and you'll be liberating the village from the Axis powers. I'm getting all Call of Duty feel over here. Temperature is in its early 20s, so it's hot, it's sunny. Finally I could remove my jacket and आराम से यहाँ पे बैठ के beer पी रहा हूँ. It's very nice. There's people, nice place to sit and do people watching. And you can literally spend the whole day over here and do nothing and watch the time pass by. There are maple leaves, fall colors blooming all around, and it's an amazing place. People say this is the 4 Lions fountain. People say that those who drink water from this fountain end up going back and getting married to their beloved. अब मेरी तो गर्लफ्रेंड है ही नहीं, फिर भी मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ, भर लेता हूँ पानी यहाँ से. क्या पता जिंदगी के ख्वाहिशें पूरी हो जाए. पानी पी लिया है, अब देखता हूँ शादी होती है या नहीं. If that was the Orthodox Church, then this behind me is the Catholic Church. This entire region of Vojvodina is known for its vineyards. People grow wine over here, and the red wine and the white wine over here is very famous all across Europe, and it's exported all across Europe. So there are a lot of wineries over here, so you can go and have your wine tasting ceremonies, or you can go to a restaurant and have their wines. It's absolutely delicious, what I've heard. I'll also try. Let's see. Got myself a friend here. What's your name?
Dimitri.
Dimitri, what can you show me? Nice places over here. Where are we going?
I need to go to the school.
Okay.
But you can go straight here.
Okay.
And you can see like open gate.
Open gate?
Yeah, and you there have a museum.
Museum? Oh.
Yeah, that's the bee museum
Bee
or
museum.
something like that.
Okay, museum. Thank you so much, Dimitri.
Thank you.
See you. All the best.
See you.
Lovely kid, Dimitri. I think straight up ahead there is some museum. This place is actually full of museums and cathedrals and older buildings which are now converted into consulates or into the city hall. So you're spoiled with choices. There's the bus stop of Sremski Karlovci. There's the Sremski Karlovcians waiting for their bus to maybe Belgrade, to maybe Novi Sad. There's a nice bank here, ST Bank, one of the largest banks in Europe. It's all over Serbia. There's a big branch where I'm staying in Novi Sad, ST Bank. The quaint old gas station of this town by Nice Petrol. That's the bus which took me here, and I'm obviously gonna go back to the same bus. One thing I've noticed is that pharmacies are called apteka or apoteka in Serbian, apteka in Russian, apoteka in Serbian. One over here you see polio apoteka. Polio apoteka obviously means that this pharmacy shop sells polio vaccine. And exchange, money exchange is called menjasnitsa. So whenever you see menjasnitsa written, that means it's a money exchange, currency exchange. And apteka or apoteka are the pharmacies. Overall, you can also stay here. There is a hotel called the President, which is very famous. Lots of people prefer not to stay at Novi Sad and instead stay at Sremski Karlovci because of the quaint and quiet setting, giving them a much more relaxed environment to spend their time. There are plenty of options, accommodation options, but the most famous is the President Hotel over here, which is the most expensive. I'm going to show you that. This is also a student town. Lot of schools, colleges, universities, lot of students walking around here. There are literally 2-3 schools over here. It's also a diplomatic enclave. The ambassador of Montenegro stays here. High-ranking officials, diplomats, your big people stay here. And why not? In Delhi, they stay at the Luton's area, which is the most beautiful part of the city. So all the big people, the diplomats, the government servants, they all have got their bungalows over here. This over here is now the bishop's house. Earlier, the president used to stay here. And this, behind me, is the science school, or the Tehnika Skola. And over there is the English school. Trip to Vojvodina region is incomplete without tasting its wine, and I'm at the tavern, one of the many taverns in this small pretty little town. The name of this tavern is the Four Lions, and what I'm having is the local brewed white wine. It's like Chardonnay. I'm told that the owners have 16 brands of wine which they produce locally, and they have huge vineyards. And this restaurant, everything is homemade over here. Isn't that great? Take a look.
Don't shoot us.
So one of the employees here is saying that the owner of this tavern has how many vineyards?
He's one of the 19 vineyards.
19 vineyards. Okay.
He's just one of those.
Okay, there are 19 vineyards in this region,
Yes.
and he has one of those.
Yes.
And total, how many brands of wine you have here?
Officially 16.
16.
So you are now drinking Benishek Veselinovic wine.
Penishit, this is called Penishit Veselinovic, and it's white wine, Bela wine, right?
Yes.
Bela is called white in Serbian Russian, and red is called Svrena in Serbian. May I know the name of it once again?
Benishek
Penishik
Veselinovic.
Veselinovic.
Italian Riesling.
That's a mouthful. Ah, amazing. And it's called the Four Lions Bar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I'll enjoy my wine. After this, let's get back to Novi Sad. It was an amazing time spent here at the Sremski Karlovci village. I do recommend you coming here. Take your sweet time, 3-4 hours, walk the city, walk the town, eat at its cafes, marvel at the buildings, see its churches, and maybe just watch time pass by. This is Serbia. This is Europe. Idyllic Europe. सेरेम्स्की कार्लोव्स्की से लौटने के बाद मैं रेस्ट लिया और मैं बाहर आ चुका हूँ आपसे बात करने और शाम की नोवी सैड दिखाने। यहाँ पे बहुत चहल पहल है. It's the most happening part of the town. There are cafes, high-end shops, all bustling with customers. There is a casino over here if you are interested in gambling, trying your luck. Visit MaxBet. यहाँ पे रूले भी चलती है, स्पोर्ट्स बेटिंग सब कुछ है. यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. I guess फ्लैश मॉब सा कुछ हो रहा है. कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है यहाँ पे. Many people are all gathered over here. Must be something going on.
ove države koja nadgleda svaki ovdje reći vrdi. Znači mi ovdje nemamo straha jer istinu stvorimo. Bilo bi ovdje da bude 12 sati svaki dan. Nikakav mi problem nije. 24 sati
एक पॉलिटिकल सम्मेलन सा हो रहा है. एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आई है कि जो वैक्सीन फुल्ली वैक्सीनेटेड नहीं है उनके लिए कैफेज में बैठना मना है. So this fellow, these people are there actually anti-vaccine people. They don't want to take the vaccine, and when the government is saying that you won't be allowed in cafes, they feel that they're being pressurized. एक चीज मैं बोलूँगा भाईजान, वैक्सीन आ चुकी है, जो भी है उठा के ले लो. I mean, it's absolutely safe. I am fully vaccinated. That's why I've been able to travel to this beautiful country. तो जब आ जाए इतनी जब दवाई वैक्सीन आ चुकी है तो क्यों ना ले जनाब. क्यों ज़िंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ करे. क्यों ये अपनी खुद की नॉलेज यहाँ पे लगाए. जब आ चुकी है तो वैक्सीन ले लेना चाहिए. बस मैं इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ना चाहता, इसलिए मैं हिंदी में व्लॉग कर रहा हूँ ताकि थोड़ा कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी ना हो. लेकिन ये इशू है सर्बियन में. एक सेक्शन ऑफ एक जनता जो है वो नहीं लेना चाहते वैक्सीन. वो इनफैक्ट इसमें नोवाक जोकोविच भी है, जो फेमस जो टेनिस खिलाड़ी है. वो इतने जिम्मेदार होने के बावजूद वो अपने वैक्सीनेशन स्टेटस लेके कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता. वो कह रहा है कि ये मेरी पर्सनल मामला है, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं वैक्सीनेटेड हूँ या नहीं. इसके कारण लिए बहुत कंट्रोवर्सीज क्रिएट हुई है नोवाक जोकोविच को लेके. बट दैट्स अनदर थिंग. मुझे लगा था स्प्लैश मॉब्स है लेकिन नहीं है. ओके, बट व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग इट इज. Music is being played, there are shops. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग भी कर सकता हूँ मैं. The city hall and the church all dazzling. And I'm feeling a bit sad that I am have to leave this beautiful country, Serbia. There's always so much to come back to. शायद मैं वापस आऊँगा एक दिन. But आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आपको vlog अच्छा लगे, so give it a like, comment what you feel like, share with your friends. Bye bye.